All right, well, our next assignment in Microsoft Excel is going to use these figures that we have that we've saved from my webpage on the school website, and we're going to go ahead and start filling in according to your handout that you have. So it says in B1 type capital JAN for January, and it says in C1 type capital FEB, and we're obviously going with the abbreviations of the months, and it's important that you keep with your pattern. So like if you had filled in MARCH, you would have then broken this 3-letter pattern, or if you filled in APRIL, you would have then messed with the pattern. So it's important that you keep the pattern. If it's 3 letters, then stay with that. And it says to keep going. May, June, and on the Excel lists assignment that we did, I showed you how you could select a pattern and fill the pattern the rest of the way down with the fill handle. Well, I've neglected to show you that you can also do the same thing with a pattern that's going horizontally. Okay, so if you select your pattern and then you grab that fill handle, you can also fill right and left and fill in the rest of those months. If you want to go ahead and type all that out, you can as well, but that's just another little handy way that you can save yourself some time. All right, next on your handout, it says fill in the types of expenses. It says in A2, put in rent. In A3, electricity. A4, phone. Food. Heat. Gasoline, that's a big one. And insurance. Okay, now these are all things that your parents pay for, that you're going to have to pay for once you move out of your parents' house, and this is not this is not all of them. This is not an all-inclusive list. This is just a few of the things. Okay, now you need to notice that the word electricity and the word insurance sticks over too far, and we really want to be able to see the whole word. So how you adjust your column width is right between the column name, between the A and the B, right exactly between there on that line. You can either click and hold and drag the width over a little further, or you can click twice and it will make it just wide enough that you can fit the widest word in there. Okay, so this made the entire column wide enough so the word insurance fits. Okay, all right, so it also says select row 9. Right there, we're going to click on the 9 to select the whole row. And it says format row 9 as currency. And you already know how to do that from our previous assignment. We're going to go over here to format. I do realize that there's a $sign right here. That is actually accounting, and I want you to know that format is over here. So we're going to click on format, format these cells, and we're going to go to the number tab and currency, and this is all what we did last time. Okay, so now this row is formatted to be currency. All right, it says in A9 type total. It says click on B9, then click in the insert function. And after you click in B9, it says click on the insert function, and this is what our last assignment was all about. So we're going to click on the insert function. Okay, it says select sum and then click OK. And what we want to do is we want to add all of our January expenses. Okay, so that's going to be B2 through B8. So we want to look and see B2 colon B8. If it didn't say that, we would backspace and make it say that. Okay, this adds the numbers between B2 and B8. I'm going to click OK. Now we need to do that 11 more times so that we can get the sum for each month. Or if we notice that when we're in B9, our formula up here says equals sum B2 through B8. If I drag this fill handle all the way over and let it go, I get all these little number signs. All that means is there's information there and this column is too skinny. So we're going to, again, go up and adjust our column width and double click. And you can see, oh, it did the total amount for each month. And notice that it is formatted in a currency as well. Okay, so you just have to go through and click twice on those to make the a little bit wider. The numbers don't mean there's something wrong, it just means there's information there that you can't see because it's stuck over too far. And this one in B9 is summing B2 through B8. If you click on C9, notice the formula automatically changed to sum C2 through C8. If you click in D9, it's D2 through D8. So Excel figured out that you wanted the answer, the sum, to go underneath that column right there. Okay? Now you can see the monthly expenses for your household.